Today, I'm here in Mount Vernon with the Jungquist family. Farming runs deep in their family with the current 4th and 5th generation farming the land.
Your whole family is here.
Yeah,
I love it. Or maybe not the whole family, but a big part of it, right?
Yeah.
So you're 4th generation.
4 for me,
5th generation.
5 for him.
That's so
Yeah.
cool.
Roger's son Riley has followed in his father's footsteps in the potato industry. He's hopeful his kids will do the same.
And what do you guys think about potatoes?
Really cool. I actually have some right here.
What? Look at that. Those are good looking potatoes. Do you like potato farming?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you like about it?
Just getting your hands dirty.
See? There's a true farmer right there. Do you like potato farming?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you like to get dirty?
Yes.
Awesome. Yes. I love it.
Next up, the family showed me their potato fields where they grow all different colors of potatoes, from yellow to purple.
So what color is your favorite potato?
Pink.
Yes. Do you guys like the purple ones? Yeah.
Yeah.
And the yellow ones are delicious too, right?
Yes.
Should we dig up some more? Let's do it. Let's see what they look like. You like to get your hands dirty, huh? Wow, look at how beautiful those are. Look at that color.
Yellow potatoes, I think, are ideal mashed, you know, with a steak or something. But then, you know, these red potatoes chopped up with the skins on, fried in a pan, you know, is a nice look to it too. You know, they cook up, they hold their color after they've been cooked, and you know, look good on a plate, really.
Yeah. So yellow and some red. What else?
White, yellow, and red and purple.
The whole rainbow.
Pretty much, a little bit that way.
To Roger, each color of potato has its own unique characteristics.
Well, the yellow ones, I mean, I think they have a more of a unique, people like to say buttery flavor, but I mean, I think they're a little bit sweeter as well. And
What about purple? Purple's fun.
they're a little bit of a, I shouldn't say novelty, but they're a little bit of a novelty from the standpoint, I think they use them to add to potato salad or something for color.
What's your favorite kind of potato?
Well, I like them all. I probably favor the yellow ones a little bit, but you know, obviously the reds are kind of what this area is known for.
The potatoes in this field are going through what's called a skin set. That means the outside of the potato has to get thicker and tougher.
On a red potato, for example, if you just dug one with vines on them, you couldn't hardly dig them without the skin scuffing off.
Okay.
And you can tell these are kind of rubbing off just a touch.
I
So
see
they're
that,
just, they're not quite there yet, but they're getting close.
Yeah. What is it about this particular area that makes growing potatoes so great?
Well, I think it's the weather. It's milder and not as hot, and the soil's a little heavier, so it keeps the color.
Growing potatoes, I mean, is kind of like growing a family. It's, you gotta, you know, keep an eye on it. You gotta take care of it. You gotta be there every second of the way to make sure you're trying to, you know, do your best. It's an adventure, but it's a fun adventure for sure. I wouldn't change it for the world.